Hello children, as you all know, when we are sad, not happy, someone has said something to us, we like to cry. And when we cry, we just wash away all our worries, all our grudges, all our sorrows, and then we become happy again. So this poem is about all this. As you can see, it is crying. So today we are going to study a poem, Crying. It is by Galloway Kinnell, who is very renowned American poet and written so much of poetry, and he won the prestigious Pulitzer Prize for his poem Crying. So what you are going to study, going to know, is a very important poem. So listen to it carefully and understand it. Crying only a little bit is no use. यानी कि थोड़ा सा रोना तो किसी भी काम का नहीं है. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. तुम्हें तो तब तक रोना चाहिए जब तक कि तुम्हारा पिलो पूरी तरह से भीग ना जाए. Soaked means fully moist. पूरा का पूरा जो गीला हो जाए, भीग जाए. So that is called soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. So what poet says? Crying only a little bit is no use. थोड़ा बहुत रोना तो किसी भी काम का नहीं होता. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. तुम्हें तो तब तक रोना चाहिए जब तक तुम्हारा पिलो पूरी तरह से भीग ना जाए. यानी कि तुम्हें तब तक रोना चाहिए जब तक कि जो तुम्हारा दुख है, जो तुम्हारी परेशानी है, जो तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, उसको सोच सोच कर तुम दुखी हो, वो तब तक तुम्हारे आंसुओं के साथ निकल कर बाहर बह ना जाए. उसके बाद आप फौरन अपने शावर में नहाने के लिए जाओ एंड स्प्लैश स्प्लैश स्प्लैश, और फौरन अपने मुंह पर पानी के छींटे मारो या अपनी बॉडी पर पानी के छींटे मारो. See, this child is doing the same. Then you can throw open your window. उसके बाद तुम अपनी विंडो को ओपन करके कह सकते हो and ha ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? उसके बाद जब आपने एक शावर ले लिया, आप फ्रेश हो गए, तो आप विंडो खोलो और उसके बाद ज़ोर से हंसो, हा हा. और अगर लोग पूछें कि हे, क्या वहाँ क्या चल रहा है, हा, फिर से हंसकर गाना गाओ. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. जो मेरी खुशी थी वो मेरी आखिरी आंसू के पीछे छुपी हुई थी. I wept it. मैंने इसे रोकर निकाल दिया. Ha. So children, this poem is very meaningful. It says that when you cry your heart out. You cry till the deepest sorrow in your soul, deepest regret in your soul does not wash away. So when you cry your heart out and then become happy. So children, read this poem, learn this poem, and then record your voice and then send it to me on the homework group. Again, I'll read it for you one more time so that it is clear to you. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it, ha. By Galloway Kinnell. And children, you are supposed to remember name of the poet as well. Thank you.